Hey Stubbies! I can't wait to share with you some awesome tips and tricks to make your Instagram stories great. But before I do, hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the awesome videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. And also check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. I've never used a tripod that is so easy to set up and comes with an adorable carrying case that makes it absolutely wonderful for vloggers on the go. But the most important thing is that it is extremely affordable. So check out my Amazon affiliate link right now because you will love this tripod just as much as I do. And also check out the SanDisk memory cards that I love using that make transferring files from my camera or camcorder to my computer fast, simple, and above all fun. What could be more fantastic? Check out both of these in the description box below. If you order anything using my Amazon affiliate links, I will make a commission off of your order. So be sure to use my Amazon affiliate link the next time you're ordering off of Amazon. Let's get into this awesome video of how to make your Instagram stories great. Let's go.
Let's get started on this amazing video learning how to make your Instagram stories great. This photo here I have edited using the brightness in the Photos app to really make the colors pop. And one of the wonderful things I've learned there that helps out a lot with your Instagram stories is using hashtags that makes your photos easily searchable and can get it seen by a lot of people. Another wonderful thing I love using is you can also use the location tab. And for location, we can do San Francisco, California. And you can also do some really neat things with text too. Sunsets. And the neat thing you can do here with the text is, once you click on it and select all, and you do this with 2 fingers, and you can create a really cool rainbow effect. These are some wonderful tips there that hopefully will make your Instagram just as wonderful as you've imagined it to be. These tips have helped me out a ton there when on Instagram, and you can also even do a poll. Those are also a lot of fun. Do you like to take scenic photos? And this here can also be a really neat way to engage with all of the wonderful and amazing viewers there that will see your Instagram stories. I hope these tips have helped you out a lot because they've been such a help to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that these tips will be extremely beneficial to you and be just as helpful because I love sharing wonderful wisdom. Wisdom is invaluable and absolutely priceless.
Thank you so much, sensational subbies, for watching my amazing video. I really truly appreciate it. I can't wait to share with you some many more amazing videos, but make sure you give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below and click the post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these awesome videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. And comment down below what your favorite tip is to make your Instagram stories great. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.